Today I'm taking you through my full and honest experience using MailerLite, a well-known email marketing service that's popular among creators, small businesses, and marketers. Once you log in, the dashboard is clean and minimal, which I appreciated. It doesn't overwhelm you with options, but everything important is accessible in 1 or 2 clicks. You get a quick overview of your recent campaigns, subscriber growth, and any active automation. Setting up a new campaign is fairly intuitive. The drag-and-drop email editor is responsive and offers decent flexibility. There are a lot of pre-built templates, which is nice, but some of them look slightly dated compared to competitors, like ConvertKit or Flowdesk. The automation builder is one of MailerLite's standout features. It allows for multi-step workflows based on triggers, like subscriber behavior or time delays. It's not overly complex, but advanced users might find it a bit too simple. I noticed it struggles a little with conditional logic, especially if you're used to tools like ActiveCampaign. That said, for beginners or those who just need solid basic automation, it's great. Deliverability is solid, and my emails consistently landed in inboxes instead of spam folders. Subscriber management is straightforward. You can create segments based on custom fields, tags, or actions users take. This helps in targeting the right audience with the right content. Importing subscribers is easy, and the platform supports integration with services like Shopify, WordPress, and Zapier, although native integrations are limited in comparison to some competitors. The form and landing page builder is decent. It gets the job done, especially for lead magnets or simple sign-up pages, but don't expect the level of customization you get from something like Lead Pages or Webflow. Still, if you want a basic, functional page to collect emails, it's more than adequate. Now, many useful links you can find in the description. On the pricing side, MailerLite is very competitive. The free plan is generous, offering up to 1,000 subscribers with basic email automation. Once you hit the paid tier, prices remain reasonable and scale based on your list size. However, the cost can add up if you want access to premium features like advanced automations, priority support, or more landing page templates. Support is okay, not great, but not terrible. Email support is responsive, but live chat is limited unless you're on a higher tier plan. The help documentation is solid though, with tutorials and guides that cover most of the common use cases. What didn't work so well was the mobile app. It's clunky, slow, and not suitable for managing your campaigns on the go. Also, while the platform tries to keep things simple, some of that simplicity comes at the cost of flexibility. For example, customizing email templates or automation conditions can feel restrictive if you're looking to do something beyond the basics. Overall, MailerLite is a good fit for beginners, solo creators, and small teams. If you're starting out and want an affordable, easy-to-use email marketing platform with decent automation features, MailerLite is a smart choice. But if you need deeper analytics, more sophisticated segmentation, or advanced workflows, you might outgrow it. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this.